Now today I will be showing you how to slide a card into the middle of the deck. Let's get into it right now. Now today I'll be using the Chameleon playing cards from Aussie Wine, an expert playing card company, and if you want this deck, check out the link in the description. I've also got a few websites to give me some discount codes that you guys don't have to pay as much money for your playing cards. That'll also be down in the description. So first I will show you what it looks like, and then we'll get into how to do this move. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a card. So let's say this card is this one here, and that's the card that's selected, but you want to bury it in the middle of the deck. So you want to out jog it, and instead of just doing it normally, you want to slide it down in more a fancy way to get to the middle of the deck. So this is the card that's selected. You out jog it, and then you slide it down. Now I love using this move. It makes me look more like a professional magician. Quite honest, it's a really fun flourish. But the best way to use it is when you're doing ambitious card routine card controls. And I'll have that right up there in a little bit. It will be down in the description too. So let's get into this tutorial right now. Let's get into how to do this. But before we get into the tutorial, make sure to subscribe by clicking the little red button down there. So what you're going to do is take the top card, or whatever the card they have selected, and you're going to take it. Your left hand's going to be in Mechanics grip. That's the way it's going to start. If you don't know the different grips, you can click right up there. And it'll also be down in the description. So you're going to out jog this card, putting it maybe about a quarter of the way up the deck. And your right thumb is going to go down here below that card with your right hand, and it's going to be basically in this grip right here where your right hand's over the top of your left. And you're just going to start to pull these cards out. That's all you're going to do, while keeping your thumb on the top of this card, just barely at the tip. So you're going to up jog it like this. You're going to come off to the side to where the end, you're basically just holding a really small fan. That's how you'll start. So you'll do this, and then with your left hand, you're just going to start pushing like this, where now it looks more even. So you're going to out jog the card that they have selected, push it here, and then however many cards you can hold in your right hand, you're just going to pick those cards up. You're going to lean this right hand packet, and you're going to tilt it downwards, and then you're going to release with your thumb. So you're here, out jog, and then you're going to just release and it'll slide down the packet. So in prime time, it looks like that. Up, push off, and slide. Then you'll just catch it here, square it up, and then you'll just put this flush and push all the cards back on top. And if you want a really good way to use this move, there are a couple controls, but the best way is for an ambitious card routine. I love using it in that, and I'll leave my performance to the ambitious card routine right up there, which has a bunch of different controls that you can use with this move. Question of the day: what's the next fun flourish that you want me to teach here on the channel? Make sure to drop that down in the comments. You can subscribe right up there and watch another video right here. Thanks for watching. This is Card Perfect, signing off.